Evening, rather. Hello. How are you, Gina? How are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yes,
So what did you do today?
I'm go to school.
You went to school. So did you enjoy your school today? You have
Yes.
fun? So can you share something about what did you do today in school? Can you share what one memorable thing that you did in school? What did you do in school? Did you learn something or did you play with your friends?
I learn and play with your friends.
Wow, very good, Gina. So all right, okay. So how's the weather? Is it rainy or sunny?
It's a rainy.
It's a raining season in Vietnam, right? I'm sorry, you're a Thai, right? Is it a rainy season in Thailand? Is it rainy season in Thailand, Gina?
Rainy.
Okay.
Uh,
All right. Now, are you ready to learn something?
yes.
Yes, of course. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen first. All right. Here. Okay. Now let's start. So, can you please read this one? This this one. Can you please read this one?
Feelings.
Very good. Feelings.
Mm.
So, feelings. So, do you know what is feelings? Do you know what is feelings? No? No? Okay, it's fine. Well, feelings, Gina, this is something that we feel, okay? For example, here are the example of feelings. So can you please read from number 1 up to number 6?
Happy. Sad. Hot. Cold. Hungry. Thirsty.
Very good. So we have here happy, sad, hot, cold, hungry, and thirsty, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go each of this, okay? So what makes you happy, Gina? What makes you happy? What makes you happy? Here.
อะไรทำให้คุณมีความสุข
So what makes you happy? Be playing with your friends.
Play with friends.
There you go. Very good, Gina. Yes, you're right. You can say, I am happy if I am playing with my friends. Can you do that? I am
Yeah.
happy. I am happy if I am with my friends. Here, I am happy if I am with my friends. Can you please read this one?
I am happy if I with my friends.
Very good, Gina. Great job. Okay. How about sad? What makes you sad, Gina? What makes you sad?
I'm scared.
Ooh. Okay, how about what makes you hot? What makes you hot, Gina?
It's very hot.
Mm-hmm. How about cold?
Um,
Well, if you will feel hot if it's sunny day, right? If you are under the sun, right?
yes.
And if you will feel cold if it's winter season or you are wearing a very thin clothes, right? How about hungry? What do you do if you're hungry, Gina? What do you do if you're hungry?
Um, mm,
What do you do if you're hungry?
mm,
You eat, right? You eat the food. How about thirsty? If you are thirsty, Gina, so what will you do? You will drink a water.
water.
Very good. Okay.
Water.
Okay, can you please read again the six feelings? Gina, can you please read again the six feelings we have? First,
Happy.
next one,
Sad.
another one,
Hot.
next one.
Cold.
Okay, next one.
Hungry.
All right, next one.
Thirsty.
Okay, now I will share a story about these six feelings, okay? Okay, so once upon a time, there is two girls, namely Gina and Anna. Okay, so Gina and Anna are so happy because they are able to go to their favorite place. Okay, so Anna and Gina went to the amusement park. However, however, when Anna is walking, she fall down. She stumbled down. And then Gina and Anna get sad because Anna is crying because his she hurt her knees. While Gina is helping Anna, they feel so hot because it is so sunny. They are exposing under the sun. So Anna and Gina went to the nearest clinic or hospital to treat the wounds of Anna. In the hospital, there is an aircon. So the aircon is in maximum level. So Gina and Anna feel so cold. After the treatment, Gina and Anna feel hungry because it's already 12 in the afternoon. So when Gina and Anna feel so hungry, they went to the nearest restaurant so they can order their favorite pizza. So while Gina and Anna is happily eating their favorite pizza, Gina feels so thirsty. So Anna ordered a water for them so they can drink the water. Okay? So Gina and Anna go home so happy and they have fun. So you get the story, Gina?
Mm,
Why is Gina and Anna is so happy? Why do you think? Why is Gina and Anna so happy? Because
because
they go to their favorite place, right?
yes,
So what is their favorite place?
I play to playground.
Mm-hmm. So what happened? Why Gina and Anna felt sad? What happened?
Mm, mm, mm,
What happened? Because Anna fell down, right?
yes.
Okay, let's move on. All right, now can you please read this one, Gina?
I'm happy. I'm not sad.
Okay, so I am happy. I am not sad. Okay, so I'm is the short form of I am. Now, can you please try to get feelings based on their facial expression? Okay, so you will tell me if she is happy or she's not sad. Okay,
Okay.
okay, let's start with number one.
She is happy.
How about number two?
He is sad.
Very good, Gina. How about number three? How about number three?
She is hot.
Very good. About number four?
He is cool.
Very good. About number five?
He is hungry.
Very good. And number six?
He is thirsty.
Great job. Yay. Very good, Gina. All right. Okay, so let's continue. Okay. So as you can see, this girl, she is happy while holding a bouquet, right? Of flowers. Number two, as you can see to the face of this boy, she is sad because he broke his toys, right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Meanwhile, number three, she is hot because she is running under the, what is
Um,
this?
Sunny.
Very good. Number four, the boy is cold because of the, what is the cause or what is the reason? Because of the snow, right? It's
Yes.
snowing. There is some snow. Okay, number 5. So she is hungry because she is thinking a, what is this?
Sandwich.
Very good. And number 6, she is thirsty because she is thinking of,
Water.
very good. Great job, Gina. Now, let's try the other feelings. Can you please read this one?
Sick.
Very good. This one.
Tired.
Very good. This one.
Bored.
It's bored.
Bored.
One more time. Bored.
Bored.
Very good. This one. What is this?
Um, mm,
How to read this one?
excited.
Okay. Excited.
Excited.
Very good. Now we have another 4 feelings: sick, tired, bored, and excited. Okay, now, as you can see in number 1, he is sick. Okay, have you tried do you try being sick, Gina?
Mm, No.
Really?
Yes.
Sick? Have you get sick? Have you got here?
คุณ
No.
ป่วยหรือไม่
No.
No. Okay, how about tired? Have you got tired?
Yes.
Really? So what makes you tired? What is the reason? What did you do? What did you do, Gina? Why you get tired? Gina,
Mm,
what make what makes you tired?
อะไรทำให้คุณเหนื่อย
mm, Run. Mm, mm,
อะไรทำให้
Running.
คุณเหนื่อย
So you can say
Run. Running.
what makes here. Can you please read this one, Gina?
What make me thirst is because of running.
You're really tired.
Tired.
Okay, so what makes me tired is because of running. Can you please read this one again?
What make it tired is because of running.
Very good. Okay. How about bored? Have you gotten being bored or something?
No.
No, are you sure?
Yes.
How about excited?
Mm,
What makes you excited?
mm,
So what makes you excited? What? What makes you excited? Here.
อะไรทำให้คุณตื่นเต้น
dancing,
Ooh, wow. Here, can you please read this one?
I am excited because of dancing.
Very good. I am excited because of dancing.
I am excited because of dancing.
Very good. Very good, Gina. All right, let's continue. Okay, now, can you please read this one? Read this one, please, Gina.
He, he's sick.
Very
She's
good.
sick.
Very good. Okay, so he is and he's and he is, she's and she is. Again, these are just the same with this one, okay? However, this one is the short term of the words here. Okay, so if we are using he is, we use it in the formal tone. For example, if we are writing for school, if we are talking in a very formal and private events. However, if we are just, talking with our friends, or let's say a casual one, we can use this one, the short form, okay?
Okay.
All right, now let's try to identify their feelings based on their situation. Okay, let's start with number one. Can you please give me an answer for number one? What do you think? How
He,
he's
he is sick.
okay, he is sick. Very good. How about number two?
He is tired.
Very good. He is tired.
He is tired.
All right. How about here, number three?
Um,
What is number three?
she, um,
Is it bored or excited?
um, she is bored.
Very good. She is bored. And the last one, please.
She is excited.
Okay, so she is bored and she is excited. Very good. All right. Now, let's try to read it first. Can you please start here?
Is he sick? She sick.
Very good. Is he sick or is she sick? So this is a question, okay? This sentences is a question, an example of a question. So here is how you answer this question. Can you please read it first here?
Yes, he is. She is.
Very good. And if it's not, can you please read this one?
No, he isn't. No, she isn't.
Very good. So again, this is a question. This one is a question. And these two are the answers. Okay. So if someone asks you, is he sick? It means that we are referring to a boy or a girl. If we are
A
using he.
girl.
If we are using he,
Mm, mm.
if we are using he, is it a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Very good. It's a boy. And the girl is, it's
She.
she. Very good, Gina. Great job. Okay. Now let's start with number 1. Is he sick?
Mm,
Gina, number 1. Is he sick?
Yes, she is.
Okay, number 2. Is he sick?
No, he isn't.
Very good. Number 3. Is he sick?
No, he isn't.
Very good. And number 4. Is he sick?
No, she isn't.
Very good, Gina. Great job. All right. Now let's continue. Can you please read this one first? This one first.
He exercised.
He is excited.
He is excited.
One more time. He is excited.
He is excited.
Very good, Gina. So here, can you please start here until the last one? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
He excited. He excited. He excited. He isn't bored. He is he sick? No. Is he third? Third. Third. No. Is he bored? No. He excited. He excited. He isn't bored.
Okay, let's try to read it again. He is excited.
He is excited.
Very good. Very good. He isn't bored.
He isn't bored.
Very good. Is he sick?
He sick.
Very good. Is he tired?
He's tired.
Very good. Is he bored?
Is he bored?
All right, great job. And the last one. He isn't bored.
He is bored.
Very good. So let's try to read this story, okay? So talk about the pictures, then you will read. Okay, so what is the title of the story? What is the title?
Are you okay?
This is the question mark, so you should ask, are you okay? Something like that, okay?
Are you okay?
No, how you ask if you are asking someone, so the intonation should be high. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
There you go. Great job, Gina. So can you please read the story? Okay, ready, set, go.
Hmm, Ready, set, go. Oh no. Ouch, what's wrong? My leg. Huh?
Are you done?
Hmm?
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
Next one.
Are you okay?
Okay, continue.
I think so, thanks.
Very good. Okay. So the title of our story, Gina, is Are You Okay? So here, ready, set, go. So these girls told the runners here, the four runners that ready, set, go. And then the dog entered the running court. And then this owner of the dog shouted and said, "Oh no!" And then the girl fell down and she said, "Ouch." So the dog owners asked this girl. She said, "What's wrong?" And then the girl replied, what did the girl reply?
Mm,
What did the girl reply, Gina? My
My leg
hurts.
hurts.
My leg hurts. Can you repeat that again?
My leg hurts.
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 There you go. And then, so the dog owner, this girl, helped the girl who got injured. And then her playmates asked her, "Are you okay?" So the girl answered, "I think so." So what is the value of the story, Gina? You should always be
Mm, Be kind.
okay. Meaning, do you know what is the meaning of being kind?
Mm,
You need to be good as a person, okay? Do you understand, Gina?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do some recap before we end our class. So what are the six feelings again? Can you please tell me what are the six feelings?
Happy, sad, hot, cold, hungry, thirsty.
Okay, so happy, sad, hot, cold, hungry, and thirsty. Very good. So you're also identify the feelings based on the expression. So here the girl is happy, the boy is sad. Number three, the girl is hot. Number four, the boy is cold. Number five, what is number five again?
She is hungry.
Very good, Gina. How about number six? She is,
He is
he is
thirsty.
rather, he is thirsty. Okay, very good. Also, what are the other four feelings we have? What are the four?
Sick, third, born, excited,
What is, can you read it again? This one, Gina?
thirst,
Is it thirds or
third,
tired?
tired,
Okay, one more time again.
tired,
Okay, again, sick,
sick,
tired,
tired,
bored,
bored,
and the last one, what's the last one?
excited.
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 Okay, sick, tired, bored, and excited. Also, you were able to identify the four feelings as well and read this song. He's excited and read the short story. So what is the value or the lesson of the short story? You should always be
Um,
kind, okay?
uh,
All right. Now, do you have any question, Gina? Do you have any
no,
Are you sure?
yes.
Okay. So since you don't have any question and we started earlier, like around 5 minutes before our class, so I'll I'll end our class right now, 6:35. So I hope that you have a good day, Gina, and see you to our next class.
See you.
Goodbye, Gina.
Goodbye.
Okay,
Understand.
okay, continue reading, watching English movies, okay?
Okay.
All right, very good, Gina. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.